So my puppy Chester has chosen my brand new ShotScope X5 GPS golf watch as his latest chew toy, and as you can see, he's made a real mess of the watch straps. I was having a meltdown about this and whether to find him a new home when Archie at ShotScope came to my rescue and arranged a replacement watch strap to be sent out. I was worried whether this would be difficult to change, but Archie reassured me that it was quite simple and I should be able to change them over no problem. But how easy is it to change the strap over on a ShotScope X5 watch? Let's find out. Firstly, the straps in an X5 are really important, and this is where the tech is stored which allows the watch to connect with the tracking tags on the end of the golf clubs. If the straps get damaged, the tags might not connect properly and you won't get the readings from your shots. So underneath the watch face you'll see 4 screws. Archie sent me a small screwdriver which allows me to take these out along with a new replacement strap. So if I pop the screwdriver in and remembering which way to turn it, they start to loosen up. I'll keep them safe on the envelope over here while I take it off. You can see in the damaged one, which I've taken off, it has quite a bit of damage which won't last long on the course. Moving to the second strap, it comes off really easily, and you can see inside the connectors which I mentioned help transfer the data from the tags to the device. And I'm left with the device watch face. So putting the new straps on, I'll make sure the connectors in the strap align with the watch face connections here. I guess if you wanted to switch between different colours of straps, you could do this easily too. It's not just for people who can't control their dogs. And he's back again. Get the second screw in, and that's the first strap replaced. Now onto the second strap, and using the screws I'm now getting better at this. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to change your strap on the ShotScope GPS X5 watch. If you want 15% off all ShotScope products, check out the link in my description. What colour would you choose? And is anyone looking for an unruly cockapoo? I'll catch you in the next one.